Hey, be yourself. This is a crash course on Algorand, the Algorand blockchain, the Algorand ecosystem. As far as the target audience for this video, it would be anybody who is interested in learning a little bit more about Algorand. I'd like to keep this video short and snappy, right? No more than 5 minutes in length. That's my goal. Let's get to it. Before I jump into it, let me say that if I get anything wrong, please correct me. And if you want me to clarify anything, you can shoot me a DM, leave a comment. I'd love to interact with you. So what is Algorand? Algorand is a proof of stake smart contract platform. The block times on this smart contract platform are about 4 seconds with a 0-second block confirmation time. And the average transaction fee at the time of recording on the Algorand blockchain is about 0.0004 cents USD. So it's quite cheap to use and quite fast when you compare it to other smart contract blockchain platforms, like for example, Ethereum. Comparing Ethereum and Algorand at this point is not one-to-one. They're different and they have different trade-offs due to the fact that they're different. I'm not going to get into the details, but anyways, just as a point of reference or for comparison, the block times on Ethereum are about 10 to 12 seconds, if I'm not mistaken, with a 1 to 2 minute block confirmation time. And the average transaction fees on the Ethereum network at the time of recording is $4. So you'll often hear in the wild that Algorand is orders of magnitude cheaper and faster than Ethereum. That doesn't tell the full picture because they have different trade-offs. They work differently at the moment. But anyways, what else can I share with you as far as the details of this blockchain? So as I understand it, like I said, correct me if I'm wrong, but as I understand it, the team that is backing this is based out of Boston, Massachusetts. I've been building an application on top of Algorand this past week, and I have been learning a lot, and I have been impressed by what I've been learning. Everything works as it should. Everything works as it claims it does. And they have a variety of SDKs for developing in a variety of languages on top of this blockchain platform. They have SDKs in Java, JavaScript, Golang, Python. Anyways, the point I am making is that I have been interacting in the Discord with the development community, and I have been meeting people from Great Britain, people from Dubai, and the founder himself is from Italy. So this project does have an international flavor, an international appeal to it, which is fantastic. I do think the core team is based out of Boston, Massachusetts, but correct me if I'm wrong. As far as the leadership goes, the, main founder, as I understand it, is this character by the name of Silvio Micali. I had never heard of this guy up until a few months ago, but supposedly he is quite renowned and respected in the cryptography and computer science arena. He teaches at MIT, right? He teaches cryptography and computer science at MIT, which is a very reputable school in Boston, Massachusetts. This gives you a hint of the pedigree that's backing this project. So I don't think it's a fly-by-night kind of sketchy project. As far as some other details that I found interesting to note, this stuff is a little bit speculative and degenerate, but I found it interesting nonetheless. Algorand has partnered in some capacity with FIFA, and FIFA is going to be having the 2022 World Cup in Qatar. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but anyways, I don't know what they're going to do. Maybe it'll spike the price of Algorand up. That's complete speculation. Invest at your own discretion. But also the next World Cup would be in 2026, which would line up well with the 4-year cycle that crypto has been having. And, fuel to the fire, which might boost the price. Right now, one algo is trading for 32 cents. The all-time high was $2.30, close to 40 cents, which is like an 8x from where we're at. And maybe with some more publicity, it could break through this. So anyways, complete speculation. But as far as the tokenomics go, to compare it with Bitcoin, Bitcoin has 21 million coins on its blockchain. One Bitcoin can be broken into 100 million subdivisions called sats or satoshis. as far as Algorand goes, the Algorand blockchain has 10 billion algos. Each algo can be subdivided into 1 million parts called microalgos. One algo equals 1 million microalgos. Anyways, now let me show you an application I built on top of the Algorand blockchain to give you a feel for the types of useful things that you can do with this platform. So I'll do that in the next video. Cheers.